Hello and welcome to my Snorlax Milkshake tutorial. For this tutorial you will need blueberries, 2 chocolate chip cookies, white chocolate, vanilla ice cream, coconut powder, milk and chocolate milk. When you got all these ingredients together, you can add the blueberries to the cup. After you added the blueberries, you can add the 2 chocolate chip cookies, and after you've done that you can also add the white chocolate. And after that you can add the vanilla ice cream, don't forget the milk, and of course the chocolate milk. I highly recommend using the chocolate milk. You can blend it all together of course then, and it has this nice creamy texture. Your smoothie or like your milkshake is ready. So you can also add some whipped cream on top of your milkshake, and what I did is I added some coconut powder because it gives it more flavor and it looks nicer. And yeah, I was thinking about Snorlax and how to represent him more, so I added these two egg white chocolates, and I added some mixed crumbles. I had some left, so why not? And yeah, this is the Snorlax milkshake, and I added the straw and it is really good. I highly recommend it. Yeah, it's really tasty and I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, let me know what you think of the milkshake and enjoy.